to another Vintage Day as we take a look at the American kitchen Hoosier. According to this magazine advertisement, I no longer need to dread those hot summer days. I can stroll out where it's open and cool and pleasant, where recreation beckons and social engagements await. That is the summertime opportunity that the Hoosier brings. For this scientific kitchen cabinet saves time for enjoyment, saves steps at fatigue, and releases the housewife from that hot, stuffy kitchen. No kitchen can pretend to be modern without a kitchen cabinet. But it must be modern if you're to share life's pleasures with your husband and friends. It's come to be known as the kitchen Hoosier, but there were many companies that made them, and they all had wonderful slogans. The Elwell Company, the housekeeper's best friend. The Sellers Company, known as the best servant in the house. The Hoosier Company, the company that saves you miles of steps. And there's another one from the Hoosier that I really like, that it will help you stay young, keep your youthful energy and girlish appearance. Shall we see some of the magic? Additional workspace. My flower cabinet. All my accessories to help me make my magical baked goods. And in case there's not enough room, there's more space. Drawers down here for silverware or mixing items. And underneath, there are more cabinets and drawers. And I've even turned one into a file cabinet for recipes. So this kitchen cabinet happens to have a very large flour container. It can probably hold 50 pounds, but it's really ingenious how they made it, so you don't have to put too much effort in it to refill it. Out of all the kitchen gadgets you can have, this is my favorite. I think it was built in about the 1920s. I don't know the company because there's no identification on it, but I did inherit it from my grandmother, and I absolutely love it. I will never have a kitchen that doesn't contain a kitchen cabinet like this. Thank you for joining me on another Vintage Day. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.